If you are trying to choose between Google Drive and OneDrive, here's the quick breakdown after using both. Google Drive is probably the easier option for most people. The interface is clean, sharing files is simple, and it works perfectly with Google Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. If you're already using Android or Google's ecosystem, it feels seamless. On the other hand, OneDrive shines if you're a Windows user. It integrates directly into Windows, making file syncing feel almost invisible. Plus, it works exceptionally well with Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. When it comes to free storage, both offer solid options, but Google Drive's collaboration tools are still slightly ahead for real-time teamwork. OneDrive, however, often provides better value if you're already paying for Microsoft 365. So, which one wins? For simplicity, sharing, and collaboration, I'd pick Google Drive. For Windows integration, Office users, and overall productivity, OneDrive takes the crown. At the end of the day, the best choice depends on which ecosystem you're already invested in.